Hi everyone. So today in this video we will discuss some yesterday's homework problems. So in that first main, second and fourth problems are not getting by you. So I will explain second first and then fourth in this video. Okay. What is the second problem? The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1 by 4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. This is the question. Then how to solve? Amount of air first. Amount of air present in the cylinder. In the cylinder as x units. Clear? So the amount of air present in the cylinder before removing 1 by 4, the air present in the cylinder is x units. Clear? Okay. Next, amount of air in the cylinder after one time removal 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 of air by the vacuum pump by the vacuum pump that is equal to so before it was x, after that one time it was 1 by 4 minus, then it become x by 4. 1 by 4 means in totally x, the present of air is x, in that 1/4 of the x and fourth of the air is removed from the total air. Then LCM is 4x minus x by 4, that is equal to 3x by 4 remains. When it remains, when 1 by 4th of the air removing from the vacuum pump, then this much of air was present. Clear? After one time removal. Clear? Okay. Similarly, go for second. For that reason, write it down because I will erase the data. So copy down. Okay. Next one, amount of air present in the cylinder amount of air present in the cylinder after two times removal of air by the vacuum pump by the vacuum pump. So before it was x, after one time removal it becomes x minus x by 4, that is equal to 3x by 4. Again, amount of air present in the cylinder after two times removal of air by the vacuum pump, that is given by, so second time minus 1 by 4th of 3x by 4. Clear? This is a2, this is a1, this is 3x by 4 previous. Again what is remains? So before it was x, again after removal by 1 by 4 this much is remain. So here again 1 by 4th of this is given here. Again every time whatever the gas air remains, again we are removing 1 by 4th. So second time this much was remains, again 1 by 4th of this. Clear? Again 1 by 4th of this. So I written 1 by 4 here. 3x by 4, 3x into 1 3x, 4 4 is 16. So LCM is 16, 4 4 is 12x minus 3x, that is 9x by 16 remains. 9 by x by 16, or you can write 3 by 4 square of x units after the removal of second time, 2 times removal of air. Okay, this was second time removal. Again for third time whatever the second time remains, that's 1 by 4th. Okay, keep as it is 16. After calculation 3 by 4 whole square x units remains after the 2 times removal. Write down. Very small board is there, that's why I can't solve whole problems. Write it down. Okay, next, amount of air present in the cylinder after the 3 times removal of air by the vacuum pump. So after 2 times the air was remain 3 by 4 3 by 4 whole square x. Again the whatever the air remains after the 2 times, again the vacuum pump removes the air by 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4 whole square x square. Clear? 3 by 4, 3 by 4 whole square common, take it down, then remains 1 here minus 1 by 4. Clear? Again 3 by 4 whole square, 4 ones are 4, that equal to 3 by 4 whole square, 4 minus 1 by 3 x units. Clear? So 1 minute, that is 4 minus 1 3 by 3 cancel, so remaining 3 by 4 x units. Now we got a1, a2, a3. Now we should calculate whether this procedure, the removal of the air from the cylinder, makes an AP or not. Check it out. Okay, now a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2, means all the common difference should be same, then only you can say it as a AP. 3x, take LCM, minus 4x divided by 4. Clear? Here 9 by 16 x minus 3 by 4 x, 3x minus x, that is equal to minus x by 4. The LCM is 16 here, 1 is 4 is 9 minus 12x, that is equal to minus x by 4 minus 3x by 16, means they are unequal. Therefore as a2 minus a1 not equal to a3 minus a2, this list of numbers, this list of numbers does not form AP. does not form an AP. Clear? Write it down. So first removal x, second removal 3x by 4, third removal 3 by 4 whole square x. Okay, after a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a2, we are not getting same difference here, we are getting different common difference here. Therefore, as a2 minus a1 not equal to a3 minus a2, this list of numbers does not form an AP. This is the exact way of solving the problem. Okay, I hope you understood this problem. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay.